Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet a cozy blanket. It can be made in any size. Mine is about 30 inches wide and I used around 900 yards of double knit yarn. The stitch pattern gives it a knitted look and crocheting it was incredibly relaxing. For this project I used a 4mm crochet hook. You can achieve a beautiful result using iron weight yarn and a 5mm crochet hook. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button below the video. Now let's start. In my original project I started with 130 chains, but now I will start with just 14 chains for a practice swatch. But feel free to start with any number of chains, just remember to add 2 extra chains for turning. Okay, let's start row number 1. We'll make a double crochet into each chain and we will start in the third chain from the hook. So this is the third chain from the hook and we will make 1 double crochet and now make 1 double crochet into each chain and continue until end of the row. Now chain 1 and turn your work. Row number 2. We will start a row number 2 with a single crochet into very first stitch. So just make a single crochet into the first stitch. Okay, and we will start to work now behind the stitches. So we will make a single crochet behind each stitch. So we will insert our hook like that. Okay? So do not insert your hook into the stitch but behind the stitch. And after you do it, after you insert your hook behind the stitch, just make a single crochet. So yarn over, pull up the loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops. And insert your hook behind the next stitch and make a single crochet. Insert your hook behind the next stitch and make a single crochet and continue until end of your row. Try to crochet very loosely, otherwise it will be hard for you to insert the hook in the next row. And when you reach the last stitch, insert the hook into the stitch, not around it. Make a regular single crochet. And all the first and the last single crochet will be worked into the stitch, not behind the stitch. Okay? Now chain 2 and turn your work. Row number 3. We will start and finish row number 3 with a regular double crochet. So our first stitch gonna be just a double. And from now on we will work double crochets into these loops. Okay? So we will make a regular double crochets, but we will work into these loops. So our next stitch is here, our next loop is here. So we will make a double crochet into that loop. Yarn over, insert your hook into that loop from the row below. Yarn over, pull up the loop. You have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through first 2. Yarn over, pull through next two. So you are making a double crochet just in this loop instead of the normal stitch, okay? And continue until end of your row. And as I said, a first and last stitch will always be worked in the normal stitch. So not in that loop, but in the normal stitch, okay? Chain 1 and turn your work. We will repeat rows 2 and 3 until we reach the desired length of the blanket. I recommend finishing the blanket on row 2. I will show you one more time how to make each row. So let's start row number 4 with a single crochet into the first stitch, and then we will work a single crochet behind each stitch. Please don't forget your last stitch should be worked in the normal stitch, not behind the stitch. Then chain 2 and turn your work. We will start row number 5 with the double crochet into the stitch, into the first stitch. Then we will work a double crochet into that loop from the row below. Please remember that your last double crochet should be done in the normal stitch. Now I will show you how to make the border. It will look best if it's very simple. Just make a single crochet in each stitch around. And on uneven edges, try to make one single crochet in each row of single crochet and two single crochet in each row of double crochet. If your blanket starts to curl, it means you need to make more single crochet. If it starts to ripple, make less single crochet. So this was double crochet row, so I'm trying to make two single crochet, then single crochet row, one single crochet, double crochet row, two single crochet, and so on and so on. And on the corner make a single crochet, then chain 1 and make a single crochet into the same stitch. Then start to work on this side, make just one single crochet into each stitch. As you can see, the blanket is very easy to make. It looks great in any colors and size. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please leave a thumbs up and see you next time. Bye bye.